Hello everybody, Davey Crackcorn again. Time for another Stitch Fix unboxing. Let's get to it. So as you guys know, I'm just an ordinary guy, no sense of fashion, and blue collar, 42 years old. I need help. And that's the great thing about Stitch Fix, is they help guys like me. Don't let your pride get in the way. Don't think that you know how to dress right, because guess what? If you're like me, you probably don't. All right, let's dig in. Let's see what we got. Okay, up first is a button down from the California Shirt Company. I like it, good stuff. Up next is a Fairlane & Sons button down shirt, more of a dressed up occasion. Up next is a polo from Threads for Thought. Next is a pair of denim blue jeans, Liverpool brand. And finally a pair of stretch jeans from Flag & Anthem. Okay, let's try all this stuff on. Okay, as you can see, it fits me great. I love it. Love the pants, love the style, love the collar, love the way they feel. The shirt, obviously, simple button down. As you can see, I would wear this for more of a dressed up occasion, maybe church or any low-key event. I would feel comfortable, but yet dressed up enough in this. The shirt fits great, love the pattern. And it's even more of a tucked in style, or you can even untuck it. And I think it still looks halfway decent, So yeah, looks good, I like it. Up next is this polo. As you guys know from my previous videos, I've only recently became a polo guy. Always avoided them. Only recently became a polo guy once Stitch Fix started sending me good polos. And this one is no different. Fits me good. I like it. It's a good style. Great material. I like it. So good. Okay, up next we have this long sleeve button down shirt. Not a huge fan of the pattern. Material, I guess, is okay. The fit is not great. It's a little too short right here. If it's going to be an untuck, it's kind of got to be more even around where it's too long here. It's not long enough to tuck in, and it's just not a great fit. It's too long in front, too long in back, too short on the sides to be left untucked. Plus the fit, it's not a great slim fitting feel. So this shirt, absolute fail. These jeans, let's talk about them. From a distance, yeah, not bad looking, good faded, distressed style. And but once you get close to looking at these, well, number one, they're skinny. I'm not a skinny jean guy. And then the material looks like an old style mom's jean. Materials denim. And then the pockets, look at them pockets. That's like a mom jean pocket. And then even the way they fit up top, they're big on top, bunchy on top all the way around, and then skinny on bottom. That's a stereotypical mom jean fit. So these are going back. I praise Stitch Fix. They're a great service, but you gotta watch it, because not everything they send is gonna be perfect for you. So you still have to use your own discernment on that. But the good thing is they send you this bag that you can send anything and everything back if you don't like it. Okay, let's go over prices now. First, this Fairlane & Son dress shirt. $49.50, great price, great shirt, I'm keeping it. Okay, up next is the Flag & Anthem pants. $69.50, love the pants. Love everything about them. Great price too. I don't think that's bad at all. I'm keeping them. Up next, once again, a polo. I love it. Threads for Thought. Fits great. Looks great. $34. I'm keeping it. Okay, the final two things. The Liverpool jeans. $89 for just a pair of mom jeans. I'm sorry, Liverpool. I'm sending them back. It's not my style. It doesn't fit good. Just a bad cut. Next, the California Shirt Company right here. Once again, I don't like it. I don't like the fit. Don't really like the pattern style or anything. $49.50, sending it back. Total box was $291.50. By all discount, 25% off, take $72.88 off. That would make it $218.62. Minus the credit that I had was $20. Free shipping, so the total box would be $198.62 if I kept everything. But I'm going to be sending 2 items back, so I'll have to do the math on that. So guys, I do have a referral link below, and use that if you want to try this service, and it takes $25 off your first box. So this is my 3rd box I had. The first 2 boxes, I kept everything out of it. And it even set me on a different path for fashion. Because they sent me some stuff that I never would have tried. Come to find out, I love it. But as you can see in this video, there was 2 things that I was like, whoa, no, big time fail. No big deal, send it back. I can't wait for my next box. So give Stitch Fix a try. It'll definitely kind of change your outlook on fashion. Once again, thank you guys for joining me, and we'll see you next time.